central processing unit in fundamental of computers. In this central processing unit, that is CPU, consists of the following features. First feature, CPU is considered as the brain of the computer because the CPU can handle all the process of data, store data, process it and give as the result and stored in the memory. That's why the CPU is known as the brain of the computer. This is the first feature of CPU. Then second, CPU performs all types of data processing operations. Next, it stores data, immediate results and instruction of programs. Next feature is it controls the operation of all parts of computer. These are the some features of central processing unit. Then next, CPU has three components such as the first, memory, or it is also known as the storage unit, second, control unit, and third, ALU, that is the arithmetic and logical unit. Next, we have seen the here diagram structure of CPU, such as the firstly you can see here the input unit and CPU, then the next is the output unit. CPU can be divided into again three parts. First is the memory unit, second control unit, and third arithmetic and logical unit. I have explained here the first unit such as the memory or storage unit. Here this unit can store instructions, data and intermediate results. This unit supplies information to other units of the other computer when needed. It is also known as the internal storage unit or the main memory or the primary storage or random access memory. And its size affects the speed, power and capability of the machine. The memory can be divided into mainly two parts. First is the primary memory and next is the secondary memory. The next point is the functions of the memory unit. There are some basic functions of the memory unit. First is it stores all the data and the instruction required for processing. Second, it stores intermediate result of processing. Then third, it stores the final results of processing before